This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb on the Linux Lite operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable Do Not Disturb in Linux Lite, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner, down to my little menu button. I'm going to left-click on the menu button. Then I'm going to click on this little green gear wheel here. That is Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, under the Personal section, right here is Notifications. You want to click on Notifications. And I am on the General tab. And right down here is Do Not Disturb. By default, Do Not Disturb is toggled off, but you can toggle it on right here by clicking on the toggle. Now Do Not Disturb is toggled on, and to toggle it back off, now Do Not Disturb is toggled off. That is how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb in Linux Lite. Thanks for watching.